Let's solve this together. It says 2 raised power x is equal to 48. Let's solve this quickly and simply as possible. Now, looking at this question, the first thing to do here is we can say that 48 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 3 is 48. So we have 2 raised power 4 times 3 to be 48. So we have 2 raised power x to be equal to 2 raised power 4 times 3. Okay. Now let's take the logarithm to base 2 of both sides. So we have logarithm to base 2 of 2 raised power x to be equal to logarithm to base 2 of 2 raised power 4 times 3. Alright. Moving on from here, we are going to have x multiplying the logarithm of 2 to base 2 to be equal to, for here we are going to have logarithm of 2 raised power 4 base 2 plus logarithm of 3 base 2. So that when we have logarithm of a number to its own base is 1, so we have x to be equal to 4 multiplied by logarithm of 2 base 2 plus logarithm of 3 base 2. This becomes equal to 4 times 1 is 4 plus logarithm of 3 to base 2. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.